Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Dodge Journey Canadian Value Packaged Vehicle. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.4-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice little roof spoiler. We get this nice rear wiper. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, heated door mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do have that nice Dodge grill. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You got 12 volt, all those nice little hooks. You do get quite a bit more storage, and you do get storage underneath with your spare tire, and you can collapse the row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of space, leg space, all that jazz. You do get little cubby holes underneath, as well as on that side, 12 volt carpeted interior, seating through up to 5. This nice black cloth interior. You can adjust your seats as well, and you do get plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your lights, parking brake, and hood opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 84,220 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have our cruise control, your Dodge logo. Toggle for your screen, you have your volumes and modes behind the steering wheel. And looking here, we have our vehicle speed, trip info, tire pressure, messages. You can turn off your menu, what station you're currently on, fuel economy, vehicle speed, all that fun. To my right, we have our gear select. You got tons of storage in your center console with a 12 volt down there. There's more storage there, and another 12 volt. Got your climate controls right here with dual climate, CD. You have your hazards, AC, all your temp, traction, little storage cubby here. Engine start, you got your infotainment system, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. CD player, climate controls, all conveniently right here or down there, whatever you really prefer. You got your settings. You can go through all this, just your basic stuff. More information about the vehicle, such as your time, temperature outside, and you can turn your screen on and off from just right there, and you do get your storage in the glove compartment as per usual. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA09919A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.